Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan anti-scale system is installed at the Bigard meat factory in France. Bigard Group is the leading meat processor in France, processing more than 500,000 tons of meat per year. The Vulcan S25 unit was installed with insulation rewrapped over the pipes and impulse cables. The device was installed on the machine responsible for washing the white containers. These containers have barcodes located on the side. Before installing the Vulcan unit, the scanning machine could not read barcodes due to scale incrustations. After Vulcan was installed, the machine was able to read these barcodes correctly. Bigard is now saving on maintenance costs and reduced time spent on cleaning the washing machine in white boxes. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, tuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.